The genius learning techniques from Richard Feynman. Number 1 is pretend to teach what you are learning to a 12-year-old kid. As in, it helps to find gaps in your learnings, and if you cannot explain it in simple terms, that means you do not know it well. Number 2 is identify gaps in your explanation. Because once you know your weak areas, return to the source material and start to fill them in again. Number 3 is organize and simplify your learning. As in, organize your notes into a narrative that you can tell from beginning to the end. Fourth one is transmit. As in, it is time to put your knowledge to the test. Find someone to listen and give your explanation to them, just to check out your learning. And last, fifth is repeat and refine it. Repeat the process and continue to improve. The technique will get more and more effective with the time. So just save this video for later and stay happy and stay tuned for more content like this. This is Divya from Tegonity Academy. We'll see you soon in a very new video. And to get notified for next video, subscribe to the channel and do press the bell icon. Bye-bye.